E-learning skills. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert or add an object behind the text like this. So first thing you need to do, click on your InShot app. Then video, we are going to create new project. We're going to create a blank video. Click on the blank and then you can choose the size or the time limit for the video that you're going to create. I can put like that. Then the next thing, we are going to put text, like I can say hello, resize it. Here is the font. You can choose any font that you want. We have several fonts here to use. Then the color is very important. You can choose any color, but the best, I can advise you stick on the chroma. You can stick on the chroma color, which is the green color. Click OK. Then we are going to export our video by clicking OK. Then save it to our gallery. So that is the first step that we need to do. The next thing, after the video is being saved, we're going to go back. You can put it to the draft, then click on the video, new project. Then we are going to insert a photo, the photo that we are going to insert it behind text, and I'm going to use this photo. Click OK. Then click on PIP, which is like an overlay. And then we are going to insert our video. Our video is this one. Resize it until it fits the window. Then we are going to click on the chroma tool. After clicking on the chroma tool, then we are going to remove this color by strengthening it to the fullest, then click OK. Then this is how you can insert an object behind text using an InShot app. And here is other final results that I created by inserting an object behind the text using an InShot app. Thank you.